Are you new to Kodi and overwhelmed by all the options? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the best Kodi add-ons for beginners in 2025 that are easy to install, user-friendly, and perfect for kickstarting your streaming experience. Let's get started. For those of you just getting started, Kodi add-ons are like apps for your Kodi media player. They give you access to an incredible range of content, from movies and TV shows to live sports and even music. But not all add-ons are beginner-friendly. That's why I've curated this list specifically for you. First on the list is Exodus Redux, a super popular add-on for streaming movies and TV shows. It has a simple interface and autoplay feature, making it perfect for beginners. For live TV lovers, Pluto TV is an excellent option. It's free, legal, and offers hundreds of live TV channels in an easy-to-navigate layout. If you love free movies and TV shows, Tubi TV is a must-have. It's packed with a massive library of ad-supported content and is incredibly simple to use. Yes, there's a YouTube add-on for Kodi, perfect for streaming your favorite YouTube videos directly on Kodi without ads or interruptions. Another great option for beginners is Crackle. It's free, easy to set up, and offers a fantastic selection of movies and TV shows. Installing these add-ons is super easy. Open Kodi and head to Settings. Click on File Manager, then Add Source. Enter the repository URL, which is linked in the description. Install the repository, and then choose your add-on from the repository. It's as simple as that. Here's a quick tip. Always use a VPN when streaming with Kodi to protect your privacy and avoid geo-restrictions. A VPN ensures that your streaming activity remains private and secure. That's it for the best Kodi add-ons for beginners in 2025. Which add-on are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tips and guides for Kodi. Thanks for watching and see you next time.